Welcome back. Today we got our FabFitFun box, and I know I made another FabFitFun box video for you, and that was my daughter's box. So today I've got my own box, so I'm really excited to see what I got. All right. So we've got the FabFitFun magazine. Summer's here. I wish I had two girlfriends to come and go canoeing with me. That would be so much fun. But yeah, it's gonna have all sorts of things to see. Tells you about some of the products, like exclusive offers, and it shows you how to use some of the products that are inside. Just overall, a cool magazine. I can't wait to look through it. So there's that. 15% off coupon to give to a friend. So that's cool. The FabFitFun stickers. Some of us still mail things to people. It's fun to put it on an envelope and put it in the mail. Alright, let's see what we got. Gotta put my glasses on for this. I got a KO body scrubber. That's really cool. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like this, and I think you put your fingers in it, put some product on it, and then scrub away. I think my dog is interested, but this will be fun, and you could use it on your significant other in the shower and wash each other's backs. That's cool. Let's see what here. Balanced Skincare. Tula. Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Awesome. Probiotics and superfoods. This is excellent for me because I have a pool, and so I'm always out there swimming and getting a lot of sun. So this is excellent. Tula Skincare. Probiotics and superfoods, UVA and UVB protection, sunscreen gel for daily use. And there's a coupon for Daily Harvest where they deliver chef-crafted food built sustainably sourced fruits and veggies. It's delicious, easy to prep, and good for the planet as it is for you. That fruit and veg glow. Daily Harvest. You can get up to $40 off your first box. And that's cool. And then one of the bright wine little coupons. And what is this? Ooh. Bloomingville. Ever-changing homes. Let's check it out. I gotta get my knife. Always cut away. Ooh. Let's see what it says. Woven seagrass coasters, set of 4. They're coasters. I could always use coasters. Every once in a while, my dog gets a hold of a coaster, and it's no longer a coaster. So look how cool they are. So this one has a dot. This one has like little X's. More X's. Cool little spiral. Nice. Okay, what else do we have in here? Woo. What is this? This is the Cara Seamless Bralette. Ooh. Let's see what that looks like. Doo-doo-doo. Ta-da. I hope it fits me. Definitely going to have to try this out, and I'll have to let you know how it is. But it looks pretty. It's got little like lacy look to it, and it feels like it'll be super comfortable. So, yay! I just hope it fits. Let's see what size this one is. It is a 2XL. I'm a 2XL. So let's see. All right. What else do we have? Ooh. Check this out. A sonic Bluetooth speaker. Ooh, it's cute. I like the color already. Whoops. So it's got a charging cord and a handle. And here's the little speaker. Super cute. Oh, I like that. I have, like I said, I have a pool, and so I'm always taking music outside, and you know, it's always great to have another Bluetooth speaker, because you know, the batteries kind of go quickly sometimes on if you're out there all day. Well, this is really cute. I love it. Okay. So far, I am loving everything. Ooh, right on. This is a desk pad. My daughter got the other desk pad in the other box, and I was super jealous, and I can't wait to use it now because it's I use my dining room table for my desk. It's gonna look good on my dining room table. Ooh, look at that. Look how big it is. So, I can't wait to use it. So when I'm editing videos, you know, this is what's gonna be underneath my laptop. Right on. And it smells neoprene-y. All right, what else? All right. Multi-use storage duo. This is fine. Ooh. The Gallery. It's a cool color black. I'm not sure what it's made of. It's a little storage container. Black and gold, black and gold. It's good. That was just me singing. We're good. I know. Okay. And another one. So they're both the same. Want to check it out so you know it's okay? I am safe. Marked safe from containers. And it's another one. And I like the fact that it has this nice seal, so it sounds airtight. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right. So that's everything I got in my summer box. And I'm super excited to use it. The coasters especially, since Misha likes to eat my coasters. And then this, plan on using this in the shower. And worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I could probably try and see if Misha likes it. Think you're gonna like this, Misha? Misha's my Doberman. And this for my face. I'm excited. So, see you next time. Thank you.